Welcome to our channel. Join me as I dive deep into the world of price metrics and try to uncover their real meaning. Price metrics are a crucial part of financial analysis, helping investors make informed decisions about their portfolios. They provide valuable insights into a company's performance and potential for growth, making them an essential tool for anyone looking to navigate the world of finance. Many people believe that price metrics are simply a matter of looking at a company's stock price and making a decision based on that. But this couldn't be further from the truth. This misconception can lead to poor financial decisions, as investors may not be considering all the factors that affect a company's value. Price metrics involve a complex array of factors, including earnings per share, dividend yield, and return on equity, all of which must be carefully considered in order to get an accurate picture of a company's health. Failing to do so can result in a lack of diversification in a portfolio, leaving investors vulnerable to market fluctuations. The consequences of such misconceptions can be severe, leading to significant financial losses if not properly addressed. It's essential to have a comprehensive understanding of price metrics to make informed investment decisions. This understanding can be achieved by taking the time to learn about the different types of price metrics and how they are used in financial analysis, a topic we'll explore in more depth later in this video. There are several types of price metrics, each with its own unique characteristics and uses. The price-to-earnings ratio, for example, is a popular metric that helps investors determine whether a company's stock is overvalued or undervalued. Other important metrics include the price-to-book ratio and the dividend yield, which provide insight into a company's financial health and potential for long-term growth. These metrics are calculated using a company's financial statements, and they can be used to compare the performance of different companies within the same industry. By examining these metrics, investors can gain a better understanding of a company's strengths and weaknesses, making it easier to make informed investment decisions. One key insight that reveals the true impact of price metrics on investment outcomes is that companies with low price-to-earnings ratios tend to outperform those with high ratios over the long term. This is because companies with low price-to-earnings ratios are often undervalued, providing investors with an opportunity to buy into a company at a discounted price. In contrast, companies with high price-to-earnings ratios may be overvalued, making them more vulnerable to market fluctuations. This highlights the importance of carefully considering price metrics when making investment decisions, as it can significantly impact the overall performance of a portfolio. The main points discussed about price metrics and their importance in making informed financial decisions all point to one thing: that price metrics are a vital tool for investors. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment your thoughts on price metrics below and check out my other videos for more insights on financial strategies.